Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lexi. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I will be doing a U-part wig. Guys, this is a U-part clip-on wig, okay? I show you guys how I install it, how I prep my hair underneath, how I do my leave out and everything. So if you guys want to see how to get the perfect look using a very simple and very convenient U-part clip-on wig, then just keep watching. I love doing hair videos, so if you guys have any suggestions for any new hairstyles, different hair videos that you guys want to see, or any, you know, just general video ideas, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel before we get started. And now let's go ahead and get into this U-part wig look so you guys can see how to install it, and go ahead and keep watching to see how I got this look. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair, and there's no product in it whatsoever, and we're gonna go ahead and carve out our U parts. You just got to make it like a U, like a horseshoe, and then in the back we're gonna braid it down so it can be nice and flat. So that is the first step in installing this U part wig. Let me show y'all what it looks like. So it's a wig. It is 28 inches and has 4 clips on the front around the U part, 2 on the side, and then 1 at the bottom. So it's literally like, do y'all see a U right there? Y'all see it? So this part is where your natural hair comes out. Guys, so you're gonna take some gel, whichever kind of gel that you want, and you're gonna slick down your edges. Make sure your edges are slick because that's kind of what's gonna be showing. I'm not leaving out my edges for this tutorial. I'm braiding everything down. You're gonna take a brush, take your gel, and just braid. I'm gonna do about 4 or 5 braids and make sure it's all flat. Okay guys, for the leave out, always use heat protectant. So I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to use my Chi heat protectant and literally just spray all over. And then brush it through. And then, yes, brush it through. Make sure that your hair is protected from the heat, okay? And then you're gonna take your blow dryer and your brush and blow dry it together. Actually, another product that I'm gonna use is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Take a little dime size amount of that and put it in your hair because it keeps your hair from getting frizzy, from getting flyaways, you know. Make sure you put it to coat the ends as well. And then just brush it through evenly. And then that's when you're going to take your blow dryer, whatever heat setting you like. I'm putting it on high heat, and that's what I'm going to use to straighten my hair. Alright, so this is it blow dried. You can see the hair stretched out a little bit more and it's completely dry now, so we can go ahead and do the straightening part, and then after that we're gonna curl it. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little bit more Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum and put it all over just so my hair is not frizzy and so it could straighten better. And I'm going to straighten it piece by piece, making sure it's flat. This hair is going to be curled with the curling iron afterwards, so it doesn't need to be that straight as long as it doesn't look poofy, you know. So my straightener is warm now. And I'm just going to straighten using the comb and just chase the comb with my straightener just like this. And that is how I get my hair bone straight. There we go. It has body, it has shine. So I'm gonna do that to the whole leave out, and then I'll come back and we'll curl it. the leave out is straight, and this is what it's looking like. This is the length. I think it's looking really good, really straight. And yeah, so now we're going to clip on the wig. So what you want to do is you want to, well, first get the leave out the way, okay? Because this is supposed to just go through the top. So we're going to get that out of the way first, and then we'll worry about applying the wig. Now I want to give you your flowers and some champagne showers, or the shrimp and lobster towers. Okay, so I'm going to take a ponytail holder and I'm going to put it like this. And then I'm gonna bobby pin the braids up in the back, and yeah. So I'm gonna take some bobby pins and then I'm gonna bobby pin the back up like this. Okay, so that is the flat base, and then we're gonna go ahead and clip on the wig. So like I said, 4 clips and then 1 at the bottom. So what I like to do is bring it around, and first you're gonna put the bun in, the little braided bun into the wig like so, and then you're gonna take these 2 black back clips, clip them in, take the 2 front clips on the side, clip, clip, and then you have the edge combs right here, and you're just gonna comb it into the braid right there at the edge, and that's what keeps it secure and what keeps it from moving, you see. And just clip everything down. We're curling it, so you don't have to worry about having it super duper bone straight because it's gonna be curled. If you were to have a straight wig, then you gotta, you know, make sure it's a little bit more flat because you want your hair bone straight. But this is just gonna be a curled wig, so we don't gotta worry about all that. Brush your leave out, cover up those tracks, and this is what the wig is looking like, y'all. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Or the shrimp and lobster tail. Okay. And this is what it is looking like. I'm gonna back up. And this is a perfect alternative to a quick weave, to a sew-in, because all you gotta do is straighten or curl the fronts, and then whenever you want, you could take this wig off. So at night when you sleep, all you gotta do is unclip the wig, in the morning clip it back in, and it's so easy, y'all. As long as you get some hair that your real hair can blend with, which mine does. My real hair is right here in the front, look. See, that's my real hair, how it's shorter in the front, and I just combine it with the weave and it matches perfectly, y'all. And next we're gonna curl it. I'm gonna do the rest of the get ready with me. Today is Christmas Eve, so in the end you'll probably see my Christmas Eve pajamas and everything. So yeah, that is the install. Now let's go ahead and style it. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we're gonna split the hair into 2, and then we're gonna take some more of our heat protectant and spray the wig, and just to make sure that it's protected. Your leave out already has heat protectant, so you don't need to spray it on there. You don't want it to start curling up again. So yeah, put heat protectant on both sides. You don't really need to do the leave out. And yeah, brush it in. The curling iron that I'm going to be using today is just a regular barrel curling iron. This is by Kristen S. And I am warming it up to 400 degrees. So, however you like your curls. So you could do, you know, your style to your liking, however you like your curls. You could do it with the curling wands. with a barrel curling iron. You know, it really doesn't matter, but yeah, that is what I'm doing. I just want regular curls, and the way I curl my hair, I take like a medium section like this, and I open the clamp, and then I roll it and then tuck the hair under. So it's almost as like I'm using a curling wand with the barrel at the same time. So after I got the roots, then that's when I tuck the rest like it's a curling wand, and then let it warm up, and I hold it down. You want to have your curling iron facing down so that when you let go of the hair, you can drop it in your hands like this. So that is how I like to do it. And then I also like to just shake the curl to let the heat out before you drop it, because you know, if you drop the curl right away, it's still hot, so it's gonna fall straight. You want to let it cool down a little bit. You can pin curl it. I'm not doing that because I just don't feel like pin curling every single curl.
You heard me?
But yeah, I just let the heat out a little bit before dropping it, and then I throw it to the back and do the next curl. I'm going to show you guys again how I like to curl my hair. Barrel facing down. Open the barrel. Curl your hair away from your face. Slowly open the clamp as you turn. Make sure it's all the way to the root, and then the end, you're just going to twist it around like a curling wand. Hold it until you know, you feel like your curl is actually hot enough, and then you're going to drop it into your hand and let it cool down like so. And yeah, this is what I do for every single curl, you guys. I just shake it a little bit. Shake, 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 shake.
Sorry.
Yeah. And then I'll move this hair out the way so you guys can see. This is the curl. So the top is like a barrel, the bottom is like a wand, and then I just move it out of the way. And I'm gonna do that to every single piece. So yeah, let's go ahead and curl our hair. Alright, so this is the curls, you guys. Yeah, I will definitely fix it, fluff it out, and all that stuff. But now we're going to do the makeup portion of the video to show you guys the complete look. Doing my brows first, and I'm using Milani Dip Brow, and then I'm going to clean them up with some Maybelline concealer. Okay guys, this is the finished look. My wig is curled. I got my makeup on and it is Christmas Eve. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates Christmas. Happy holidays to people who celebrate a different holiday. Yeah, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and then of course in the comments tell me what you liked about the video, if you will be trying a U-part wig, any other suggestions for video ideas that you guys want to see on my channel. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.